Hi, Year 6. Welcome back to Term 3 and welcome back to remote learning. It's really unfortunate that we can't be in the classroom due to COVID sticking its ugly head back up and ruining our lives for a little bit. But for now, we're going to have to do some learning through our devices. At least we got New South Wales bringing home the State of Origin series, and hopefully we can have a clean sweep on Wednesday night. Go the Blues!
Well, back to learning. So if you have any questions during our online learning time, please do not hesitate to send us a message. You can message us on Google Classroom, or you can email us directly if you'd like. You have access to our email accounts, so just email us whenever you like. We will be online between 8:30 and 3:30 every single day. If you message us outside of that time, we will get back to you the next day. So if you email us between 8:30 and 3:30, we will get back to you as soon as we can. If not, we will get back to you the next day. We will give you as much feedback as we can. We will be looking at your work, and we will try and give as much feedback as possible.
So what Mrs. Moore and I have done is that we've set up a way for you guys to easily access a point where you can put all your work. And you can see it is going to be on our Google Classroom like this. So normally like we would do on our Google Classroom, if you guys go to classwork, you'll see here there's online learning. It's a new tab that's been added. And underneath it is a place called Weekly Learning Docs. So if you click onto that Weekly Learning Doc, each of you are going to have your own copy of this. So here's a little bit of a timetable just to outline what you guys can be doing. You can do this in this order if you'd like to, or if you want to do maths first in the morning, you can do maths first. If you want to do literacy, you can do literacy first. It's up to you. Underneath, what you will find is that each day we've given you guys some instructions on what you will need to do. So for literacy contract, here are your instructions for the first day on Tuesday. Our literacy contract is uploaded to our Google Classroom, just like we normally would. We've made a copy for each of you guys as well under the literacy tab. So it'll be Term 3, Week 1. That'll be your Google Doc that you can access with your contract and anything else that you need to go through and answer the questions and do your work for. Underneath it, there's this little blank space here. Now, what you guys can choose to do is that you can either choose to work directly into this doc, so you can do your typing, write your work into there. The other option is that up here I have made a video for you guys to show how, if you would like to, if you want to work into a book, you can work into a book and then you can take a photo and upload it into that space and Mrs. Moore and I can see your work. Now that will go through. As you can see, there are instructions for everything that you'll need to do on that day. Like Mrs. Moore said, if you have any questions that you need answered, we will be online from 8:30 till 3:30, and you'll be able to then go and send us an email to answer that question, or you can send us an email and we can answer that question privately if you don't want to post it to our classroom. That'll be for this week, and there will also be links like those blue hyperlinks for anything you'll need to do for that work. On our classroom as well, if there's a task for maths, you'll just need to go underneath the maths tab, click on it, and that will be able to access your work for the day. Everything is going to be similar to what we've been doing at class, or in class anyway, but now it's just on our online platform totally.
The other thing that we just wanted to bring to your attention is the fact that our Google Classroom is only for our learning. So if you have a comment to make, if you have a question, by all means put that onto our Google Classroom, but it's not a place for your socialization. So if you want to do something for socially with your friends, that's not for our Google Classroom, and Mr. Martin and I will be deleting any comments that are put up there that are not directly linked to our learning.
We hope that you guys stay safe, and we really hope that this COVID wave gets gone really quickly so that we can all get back to the classroom, because we know we'd all rather be there with our friends and doing the work in the classroom and at school rather than at home. So stay safe and hopefully see you guys soon.
See you soon, Year 6.
See you, Year 6.
Bye.
Bye.